Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get more offers on Spark Driver. So if you want to maximize your delivery opportunity, then just follow along. First, stay online during your area's busiest shopping hours such as mornings, evenings, weekends, and holidays. Then position yourself nearby busy stores or pickup locations. Then you need to make sure your phone has a strong internet connection and that the notifications are enabled so you don't miss incoming offers. And keep your account in good standing by maintaining reliable deliveries and following Spark's delivery policies. Then you need to respond to offers quickly since many are time sensitive. And if available in your area, try working in zones with higher demand. Then finally keep your app updated so you're using the latest version with the newest performance improvements. So that was how to get more orders on Spark Driver. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.